Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today we've got something truly special for all the BMW i4 G26 owners out there. We're diving deep into the world of performance and aesthetics with the Armaspeed carbon fiber Aerodynamic Kit. Whether you're looking to enhance your car's performance or just make it stand out on the streets, this kit promises to deliver. So buckle up and let's take a closer look. Let's break down what each component brings to the table. 1. Front splitters. The front splitters are the first point of contact for oncoming air. Armaspeed has designed them to reduce lift at high speeds, keeping the front of your G26 planted to the road. The result? Better steering response and increased cornering stability. 2. Side skirts. Next up are the side skirts. These aren't just for show. They're engineered to smooth out airflow along the sides of the car, reducing drag and preventing air from being trapped under the chassis. This not only enhances stability, but also gives your G26 a lower, more aggressive stance. Finally, we have the spoiler. It's more than just a visual statement. By generating downforce, it helps keep the rear of the car glued to the road, providing better traction and stability during high-speed driving. And let's be honest, it just looks amazing. One of the best things about the Armaspeed carbon fiber Aerodynamic Kit is the precision fitment. Designed specifically for the BMW G26, each component aligns perfectly with the car's factory mounting points, making installation straightforward. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer to leave it to the professionals, you'll appreciate the attention to detail that Armaspeed has put into this kit. The kit comes with automotive double-sided sticky tape that works pretty well to secure it. To sum it up, the Armaspeed carbon fiber Aerodynamic Kit is more than just an upgrade, it's a transformation. It enhances the performance, handling, and aesthetics of your BMW i4 G26, taking your driving experience to the next level. If you're looking to stand out and make a statement with your car, this kit is a must-have. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And if you're ready to take your G26 to new heights, check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Armaspeed carbon fiber Aerodynamic Kit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah. What's up? Got them running scared, I'm the big bad wolf. And I heard the same shit, dog, it's really getting old. Got so many hundreds that I can't get it to fold. And I'm only speaking facts, just the truth is being told.